3 a.m. and the dash lights glow. Hands on the wheel, nowhere left to go. White lines hum like a low drum roll. Every mile keeps taking its toll. Radio static, breathing slow. City's asleep, but I'm still on the road. Night shift.